Hey guys, how's it going? 603 Garage here. So we're just going to do a quick update on the Tahoe. Just a couple changes that have happened since it was last on screen. So first things first, she has a new muffler now. Has Cherry Bomb Extreme. You can't really see it that well, but single baffle muffler, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. I modified the tailpipe because on these, the mufflers always are dual exit, but they immediately go back into one in the tailpipe, so I cut off that whole part, welded in a patch. Spare tires back in, and we got a new axle dump. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the spare tire in or not, but sorry, I gotta put my... So it now has a 4-inch out all the way, so it's pretty throaty. She's undercoated with NHOU. It's a New Hampshire company, and you can do it yourself. It's pretty nice stuff. I did do something on the interior, and that is the newer style center console. Basically, if you look at a 2001 interior and a 2003, you'll see the big difference. I'm going to be switching this over, the AC controls, the whole radio basket. But yep, Z71 badges. It's not a true Z71, it's an LT. But so far, it's becoming more Z71-ish, I guess. Color matched. I guess this is more of a Z71 interior. The whole two-tone deal. And I think the red on there just looks nice. But yeah, I'll do a quick startup of the new exhaust. Gotta grab a rock. I don't have a tripod for this thing. Alright, so we'll do a startup, new exhaust. So as you can see, she sounds pretty mean now. Not that it didn't before, but I just like the sound of chamber mufflers better. So thanks for watching this quick update. Getting some new tires for my other rims are a lot nicer, so those will probably go back on. But thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe.